Guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we will be showing you a secret that Mojang did with the parrots. You all probably know this already, but if you put in the music chirp, demonstrate, they all start dancing. Isn't it cute? But I'm pretty sure you have to have the jukebox by the parrots for it to work. And thank you, Lexi, for doing the controls.
You're welcome. Go check out Maddie Gaming.
Yeah, subscribe to her channel.
Yes, I only have.
But yeah, it's kind of like, it's cool, isn't it? Yep. Okay, well.
You could probably do it with other music discs. We don't really have much time, so yeah, you guys try it out at home.
Yep. Okay, well. Also sorry if this quality is bad. This is my first time actually recording outside, so yeah, I'll see you in another video that I'm gonna probably post right about in a second. Okay, bye!
Subscribe to Maddie Gaming.
Yep, and stay amazing.